Online freelancing. Offer your skills and services to clients all over the world through online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can provide services such as writing and editing. Offer your writing and editing services to clients who need content created for their websites, blogs, or social media platforms. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services including logo creation, brochure design, and infographics. Web development. Offer web development services, including website design, coding, and maintenance. Social media management. Help small businesses manage their social media presence by creating and scheduling posts, responding to comments, and analyzing engagement metrics.
Online tutoring. Use online platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, or Varsity Tutors to offer your teaching services to students who need help with a particular subject or skill. You can teach a wide range of subjects, including math. Help students with math homework, from basic algebra to advanced calculus. Science. Teach students about biology, chemistry, physics, or other scientific subjects. English. Help students with writing, grammar, or literature. Programming. Teach programming languages like Java, Python, or C++.
Sell products. Utilize e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay to sell physical or digital products. You can sell handmade products. Utilize platforms like Etsy to sell handmade products like jewelry, crafts, or artwork. Sell digital products. Create digital products like ebooks, courses, or software and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Selfie. Sell physical products. Sell physical products like clothing, accessories, or home goods on platforms like Amazon or eBay.
Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can promote products on social media, share affiliate links on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Create a website or blog. Create a website or blog that promotes products and includes affiliate links. Email marketing. Send emails to your subscribers promoting products and including affiliate links.
5. Create and sell online courses. Share your knowledge and skills by creating online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. You can create video courses by recording video lectures and sharing them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, or you can create text-based courses and share them on platforms like Skillshare. And of course, you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions to students who need personalized guidance. 6. Blogging. Create a blog and monetize it with advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. You can write about a specific topic that interests you and attracts a large audience. Create valuable content that solves problems or answers questions for your audience, and monetize your blog with advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. 7. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock. You can take high-quality photos that are relevant to popular topics or trends. Upload your photos to stock photo websites and set a price for them. And hey, you earn royalties every time someone purchases your photos. 8. Transcription services. Offer transcription services for podcasts, videos, or interviews on platforms like TranscribeMe or Reverend. You can transcribe audio files into written text for clients who need them. Work as a freelancer and offer transcription services to clients directly. Use online platforms like TranscribeMe or Rev to find transcription work.
9. Virtual assistant. Offer virtual assistant services like email management, calendar organization, or data entry to businesses and entrepreneurs. You can manage email inboxes for clients who need help responding to emails. Organize calendars for clients who need help scheduling appointments or meetings. Enter data into spreadsheets or databases for clients who need help with data entry.
10. Survey sites. Participate in online surveys and earn rewards or cash through websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. You can sign up for survey sites that match your demographic profile. complete surveys and earn rewards or cash, redeem rewards for cash payouts or gift cards. Create and sell an online business. Build a website or app and sell it on marketplaces like Flipper or Empire Flippers. You can build a website using a website builder like WordPress or Wix, or create an app using a platform like AppyPie or BuildFire. Finally, sell your business on marketplaces like Flipper or Empire Flippers. Dropshipping. Start an online store without holding any inventory by partnering with a supplier that ships products directly to customers. You can find a supplier that offers dropshipping services for the products you want to sell. Set up an online store using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Market your products using social media advertising, email marketing, or influencer marketing. Create a YouTube channel. Monetize your YouTube channel with ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. You can create high-quality videos that attract a large audience. Monetize your videos using ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Build a community around your channel by engaging with your audience and responding to comments. Sell handmade products. Utilize platforms like Redbubble or Zazzle to sell handmade products like jewelry, crafts, or artwork. You can create handmade products using materials like fabric, wood, or clay. Upload your products to platforms like Redbubble or Zazzle. Earn royalties every time someone purchases your product. Online coaching or consulting. Offer coaching or consulting services to clients remotely and get paid for it. You can identify your niche and specialize in it, for example, fitness coaching or business consulting. Market your services using social media advertising, email marketing, or influencer marketing. Deliver coaching sessions via video calls or phone calls.